All right. Question. Can you see the difference? Can you see it? How about now? Hello everyone. I have a video here. It is about the PolarPro filters that you can get for your drone. These are specifically for the Phantom 4 Pro or Advanced. Now, as I said, I want to keep this simple. There's many videos on the internet talking about these and how you use them and whatnot. Now, basically, my recommendation is for the neutral density side here, you have neutral density or the neutral density with the polarization. My recommendation, if you can't buy a whole set of them, there's 6 in this set. For the NDs, I would go either with an 8 or a 16. They're both very versatile. And basically, ND filters, just the neutral density ones, they don't change any color in your shots or anything like that. Generally speaking, what they do is they allow the camera to sort of, I guess, in a sense, open up its eye a little bit, let a little more light in, and it will smoothen out your shots, generally speaking. It depends on the situation and the circumstances, but in theory, it should give you a smoother picture, basically. Now, the ND polarization side, much different thing. It will change some of the colorization of your shots, but most importantly, what they address is glare. And in many cases, you don't need to really worry about glare. So I use the ND, just the neutral densities all the time. So one's not better than the other. It depends on the circumstances. If you're in bright conditions with a lot of glare, you're going to need a polarizer. But if you're in just standard conditions without glare, you'll definitely just want to use one of the ND filters. So let me just show you. I'm going to do a quick demonstration here of what a polarized filter does. Now, looking on your left, well, sort of to the left slightly, I'm going to put this filter up to the camera. Can you see the glare on the table? See how bright that is? It's crazy. It's like two big bright lines on there. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to hold this up to the camera, and that's pretty much sort of how the camera sees it. Nothing has really changed, but as you rotate it through to get the polarization, it starts removing the glare. You see that? Like, it's simply amazing. So that's without, and that's with. No polarization, polarization. So you can see obviously how that could come in very handy. Now, whoop. So you might ask, with the Phantom 4 Pro and Advanced cameras, how do these attach? I'll show you. They're very easy. The nice thing about the PolarPro, they are threaded. And you might not realize this, but your camera lens, it does screw off. And one thing I'm going to address in a future video, which is why you should like and subscribe and click on notifications, this one in particular, the lens seems to fall out all the time. So I'm going to show you how to fix that up in a future video. Now, the PolarPro lens, again, it's threaded, which is just a great thing. They're super light, they fit on nice. Get it started. And without being all complicated with all the details, generally speaking, you can see there's writing on the top here and writing on the other side. So generally speaking, you're going to get the maximum effect for reducing glare in most circumstances and cases if that is up at the top. So, but once you get it attached to your drone and fired up, you can rotate it and, you know, look through your view screen, get the right effect. But there you have it. Anyways, I hope that took out a lot of the mystery for these you know, these filters. And, you know, are they worth it? Are they not? I would say they're worth it. And I would say definitely, if you're on a budget, go with what I said, either the ND8 or 16 for general flying, they're both great, and the ND4 or 8 with the polarization. Both will do you well. Most of it really is about reducing glare, so you know, it all depends what you want to do, but there you have it, and I hope you enjoy the video. Come back for more, like, subscribe, click on those notifications. I'll tell you how to fix this issue with the lens falling out of the standard lens, or out of the standard ring on the camera. Okay, have a great day, take care, talk to you again soon. Welcome to the K&D Enterprise channel. The best way to support me is to subscribe, so please subscribe.